Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Are you confused about vapor control layers versus breather membranes? Ever wondered how to stop that nasty interstitial condensation ruining UK walls and roofs? Today I'm going to walk you through exactly what vapor control layers are, why every UK builder needs them, the best materials to use, simple installation steps, and all the regulations you need to know. Stick with me. By the end, you'll have the complete guide to keeping your projects bone dry, energy efficient, and fully compliant. This video is brought to you by Buy Insulation Online. Contact them today if you need help with vapor control layers or insulation supplies. Links to all recommended products are in the description below and pinned comment. What is a vapor control layer? Alright, let's start with the basics. A vapor control layer is basically a thin, flexible sheet you put on the warm side, or the interior side, of your insulation. VCLs are not like old-school vapor barriers that completely block everything. They smartly manage the vapor, letting just enough escape to dry out naturally while stopping the dangerous amounts from getting trapped. Bonus, they often double as your airtight layer too, which is perfect for modern energy-efficient builds. Why VCLs matter in UK builds? Let me explain why these are non-negotiable for UK construction. First, mould and damp prevention. Without a VCL, that hidden condensation sits there month after month, creating the perfect environment for black mould spores that make people sick and destroy your building fabric. Second, energy efficiency. Wet insulation loses up to 70% of its thermal performance. A VCL keeps it bone dry, so you're getting the full R value you paid for, which means genuinely lower heating bills. Third, structural protection. Nobody wants to discover rotten rafters or corroded steel studs 2 years after handover. A good VCL prevents that expensive nightmare. And fourth, better indoor air quality. Less mold spores floating around means healthier homes. With tighter Part L regulations demanding super airtight buildings, VCLs aren't optional anymore, they're essential. Common UK vapor control layer materials. So what should you actually buy? Here are the main types used across UK sites. Polyethylene films. These are your 500 gauge poly sheets, minimum 125 microns thick. They're cost-effective, give you 20 to 100 millinewtons per gram vapor resistance, and work great for walls, roofs, or floors. Aluminium foils, these are heavy hitters with over 100 meters SD resistance and low emissivity for extra thermal performance. Perfect for flat roofs or high humidity buildings like swimming pools. Intelligent membranes. These are clever ones that change permeability based on humidity levels. Fantastic for renovations or where conditions vary. Here are the key regulations you need to know. BS 5250 for moisture control, BSEN 13984 covering VCL specifications, Part C and L for moisture and energy requirements, plus NHBC standards calling for minimum 250 millions per gram resistance. Installation best practices. Right, let's talk installation. This is where most jobs go wrong. Step 1. Preparation. Make sure your surface is clean and bone dry. Cut your VCL with generous 100 to 150 mm overlaps at every joint. Step 2. Sealing. Use proper vapor-tight tapes, minimum 30 mm wide coverage. Press down firmly with a seam roller, no gaps allowed. Step 3. Penetrations. Every pipe, cable, or window needs grommets or high-performance sealants. Use service voids to avoid penetrations altogether. Step 4. Fixing. Staples or nails at 250 mm centers maximum. Make sure you lap up to DPCs, windows, and door frames properly. Step 5. Protection. Keep the VCL safe from trade damage during construction. It's fragile once installed. Biggest mistakes to avoid: don't put it on the wrong side. That creates the infamous mold sandwich. Never leave unsealed holes, and always use vapor-tight tapes, not standard gaffer tape. So, walls, roofs, or floors, where are you installing VCLs next? Drop it in the comments below. I'd love to hear about your projects and help other builders learn from your experience. Thanks so much for watching. If this cleared up VCL confusion for you, give us a like, hit subscribe for more practical building guides, and leave any questions in the comments. Need VCLs right now? Buy Insulation Online stocks, polyethylene films, aluminium foils, intelligent membranes, everything mentioned here. Full links to all products are in the description below and pinned comment.